In 1965, while I was working at the university as a yard boy and other jobs, Lady Bird Johnson came with her husband, President Lyndon Johnson. She was into beautification of our country, taking down billboards and cleaning up highways and planting trees. So she planted this pin oak on the University of Denver campus next to Evans Chapel, which is right over there, in the beautiful gardens that are here. I think it was called the Harmony Gardens at the time. It's kind of the center of the campus. And a funny story from this is that the next day, students who were protesting the Vietnam War came up above where the water begins cascading down and there are waterfalls, put in jugs of laundry detergent, and this whole area was consumed with suds, including her little tiny pin oak. The tree survived, obviously. It's a beautiful specimen here on the campus, surrounded by spired buildings and a chapel from 1868.